Hi, I'm Nayeem, Head of Engineering at FBR, and behind me is Hadrian 4. We've had this machine laying bricks for a few weeks now as the team get it ready for the factory acceptance test and hopefully its handover to its new owners. This machine has a few important upgrades over Hadrian 3 that we've got in the US. In particular, it's got an upgraded layhead, which is going to provide us with a higher accuracy build. It's got upgraded shuttle system, which we can produce more cost effectively and faster. And it's got a brick saw, which is currently being commissioned off the machine. And we're really excited to get this machine in the hands of a customer. We've had a lot of inquiries and interest in Hadrian, and the pressure's on the team now to deliver Hadrians and to get them up and running quick.